Welcome, welcome, welcome. No intro anymore. People just bail on that. So no intro. We're getting started at Cannonsburg. And I have no idea where we're going. No idea about anything. We're just going to go. So, let's go. We're off. That water is crystal clear. I guess there used to be an old bridge here or something. But we're just exploring today. We have no destination in mind. We're just exploring. That's new. Must have come down in the last storm. Ole, 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 ole. Woo! I hope that picked up. That is loud in there. Wow. We got another tunnel coming up here. And we're gonna do it again. Ole, 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 ole. Why is there a bike tire? Ole. Something stinky. Look what I remembered to bring. I brought my A6000. Why is there a transmission out here in the water? Holy crap. Yeah, they're definitely out here cleaning up. Which, I'm not gonna lie, it needed it. What the hell is that? Here we go again with these bike issues. All right, well, this bike trip was short-lived. And I'll show you why. It seems like every time I get on this thing, I got more and more money I have to sink into it to keep it rolling. I don't know if I'm going to be riding Trek much longer, or if I'm even going to keep doing this, because as a first experience, this thing is just eating every dime I have. So I'm going to put the camera down by the pedals and show you what it's doing now, or so you can try to hear it. Hear that? So here is the deal. I've got to replace pretty much my whole drivetrain. This sucks because it's going to be expensive. So it's hard for me to even ask. But I will leave a PayPal link, and you can message me on my Twitter page, which the link is already in the description, if you want to Venmo me, or if you want to help. Yeah, it's really sucks, because as anyone who's watched all my videos knows that cycling saved my life, and now I can't even ride. I was planning on doing a long ride today, but I think I made it 2.5 miles in and had to turn around. So yeah, basically the whole drivetrain besides the chain and the pedals, it's all got to be replaced. So if anybody can help out, that way I can get back to making some videos. And but thanks for watching, and if you can help, I'd really appreciate it. And I also, you know, I got the Great Cycle Challenge coming up literally in like 2.5-3 weeks almost, and I got to do 200 miles for that, and at this point I can't even do that, you know. So I mean, I need some help here, because I am a stay-at-home dad and I'm living on one income here. So I mean, I could use any help I can get, but thanks in advance, and thanks for watching the video.